One less problem to look at. We've got 2x squared plus x minus 6 units. So I'm going to start building my array here. Okay, so I think my units will go something like this, but I need some more to fill in the rest of it. So if I add in a positive x, if I add in a 0 pair, I have to add the negative version as well. Looks like I'm going to need another one over here. So I'll need another here as well. Okay. All right, so I have 2 spaces left for an x value. So if I add in a negative pair, we have a problem, right? So I know that these are going to be positive x values here and maybe here, because x times x is x squared, and I have 2 positive x squares. That's great. But I run into the problem right here. I know that if I have an x times negative will give me negative x here, and I'm okay all the way around. But if I do the same here, I'll have a positive x times negative 1. So this green one is in the way. So what we might need to do is put our green values, our positive values, here, since there's 4 positive x's, and just rearrange our tiles so that all the greens are together, all the positive values are together, and that all the negative values are together. Okay, so we can't mix and match. They have to be like, each section has to have its own color or own positive or negative value. There, that looks better. But that might change things a little here. So these ones probably now need to move up in this direction. And instead, I'd have a positive times a positive to stay a positive. All right, I think we've got it now. So the dimensions are x plus 2 times 2 x's minus 3. And now you can successfully finish your homework assignment.